Is your Twitter safe? Recently, Twitter has been in the spotlight where major US accounts has been hacked in a Bitcoin scam. The hackers got hold of the account and posted Bitcoin requests to lure in innocent followers to deposit their money in a promise to double the investment. Don't let this happen to you. Enable two-factor authentication on your Twitter account to keep your account safe from hackers. So in this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. So let's open up your Twitter app and tap on your profile image at the top left of the page. Then tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. Find Security and tap on that. Now you'll see two-factor authentication, tap on that. Now you have three options to make your Twitter account secure. First is by text message, second one is using Authentication app, and the last one is the security key. The easiest option is the text message option, where the app will send you a text message containing a series of numbers and you need to input them when you log on to Twitter. So let's begin with the first option. Tap on the text message option and tap on Get Started. Then in the next screen, enter your password and tap on Verify. Once you've done that, app will then ask you to verify your phone number. Make sure your phone number is correct and press on Send Code. You should receive a 6-digit confirmation code in your message. Enter the code in the Twitter app and then press Next. The app will confirm your setup has been completed for the two-factor authentication with text message and will provide you a single backup code which you should keep in a safe place. This will enable you to log on to your Twitter account if you don't have access to your two-factor authentication methods. Now, whenever you log on to Twitter on any device, you will get a text message which contains this code and you need to use this code to log into your account. This is really useful because if someone else tries to log in, they'll send you a text message, and even if they know your username and password, they won't be able to get in without entering this code. The second way of making your Twitter account secure is by switching on the Authentication app option. I would recommend downloading Google Authenticator and set it up beforehand. Now let's go ahead and select that option. Tap on Start and then Twitter will ask you to enter your password. Once you have entered that password, press on Verify. In the next screen, Twitter will ask you to link a authentication app to your Twitter account. Tap on Link App Now. This will open up your Google Authenticator app and will ask you to save the key. Press OK and your Twitter code will be stored in the Google Authenticator app. Now, whenever you log on to Twitter from any device, you need to open up your Google Authenticator app to get the code and input it in the Twitter logon page in order to log in. The third option of making your Twitter account secure is by tapping on the security key. This can only be done if you use twitter.com on your computer. This will enable you to use physical USB device as a key to the lock of your Twitter account. You can buy a security USB key from Amazon or eBay. Once this key is set up, you need to insert your key into your computer and then you will be able to log into your account on twitter.com. And these are the three ways to make your Twitter account secure with two-factor authentication. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and video editing applications. I'll see you in the next one.